y'all doing out there? I hope that you're doing fine and that you're doing well. Thank you for checking out my little corner of the YouTubeverse. My name is Nieccee and this is Simply Nieccee. If you love handbags, if you love beauty, if you love makeup and fashion and how to style all of those items together, you have definitely come to the right place. Today, first of all, let me say, if you like what you see, go ahead and click the like button, which keeps me up in the algorithm. And while you're here, child, go ahead and hit the subscribe button. That's my TV, child. I thought I had it turned down low enough. Lord have mercy. Child, we keep it real raw and uncut over here, and there is nothing scripted about any of my videos. Everything, every sound, every noise, every impromptu, whatever is it, I record it, it happens as it happens. So today I have been talking about this particular bag that I want, and child, I found it on Poshmark for a steal, $50, child, $50. I already know what to expect with this bag. I know it's gonna need some cleaning. I know it's gonna need a little TLC, and this is where you guys can help me because I know nothing about cleaning the interior of nothing. Because I usually buy all of my things that are pre-loved. They're normally in new condition, new with tags, or in like new condition without any marks or scrapes or anything like that. But this time I decided I wanted a bag that has character and has a little TLC. Y'all see your girl, right? She decided it's time to play when I'm trying to record. Back up. Every box that comes in the mail she thinks belongs to her, and I guess that's my fault because I was making a big deal about her barter box unboxings. So nevertheless, let's get this thing unboxed. I got my Never Full sitting here so that we can see exactly what fits inside of her. Sit, stay. I got my Never Full sitting here so we can see exactly what's inside of her. Honey, I got my ring light, child, so that we can get the full, raw, uncut effect of this unscripted. So it came from the Posher like this in this tote. She did say that she was a nurse, so this bag does have a lot of TLC, a lot of use. It wasn't that she could not get the marks and things out of the bag. She just never tried. So she just decided to sell the bag. The bag sold, but she couldn't get it out in Poshmark standards in their time frame. And the purchaser withdrew, and that's how I acquired the bag. Let's just hope what I spent, the $50 I spent, was a $50 well spent for this bag. So we're gonna go ahead and unbox. I've shared a short saying that this was something that I wanted for my birthday, or something similar that I wanted for my birthday, and we're just gonna see how this fares out. I'm nervous, I'm excited, I just don't know, y'all. I don't know how to feel. How come I don't know how to open? Well, it's because I just did my nails, so that might be why I'm feeling a little funny and a little flimsy with this bag and this box. Nails, I got them from the Dollar Tree, child, from the Dollar Tree, and I did them on my own, and I used the Kiss brush-on glue, so I only had to retouch one, which was my thumb, and they're just a little too short for my liking. The pinkies are perfect, and I have not filed them down to get the tip off the tab on the end, but they're perfect. I mean, I like them. They're good active length for me so that I don't snag hair and all this kind of stuff. So, all right, let's go. Let's unbox. Okay, and I got this bag in the brown tomorrow, so that tells you what brand this bag is. It is a Dooney Bourke tote bag. Because in the pictures, honey, she looked blue. Oh my goodness. She's cute. Oh my God. Definitely lots of wear and tear, but I like a bag that has been broken in very, very well. Oh my God. Look at her, y'all. I don't have a brown bag. Well, I mean, I have my Neverfull, but you know what I mean. Oh my goodness. Okay, so right away, I do see some pin marks right there. I do see some threading loose there. I probably can just snip that. And of course, those white spots, which I'm just rubbing those out and they're coming right out. Or I can get a water wipe and they can come right out. Let's see, another pin mark here. Looks like just some normal wear. Looks like a scuffing here. That's okay, that's okay. She got character, honey, she got character. She tells a story, that means she was loved. Yes. The handles definitely have some wear. There's something there. I'm not sure if the camera picked that up. Just signs of love, honey. Signs of wear and tear. Look like a couple of watermarks. They got a little darker, but like there's one. Where did it go? Here. But that's okay. That doesn't bother me. It doesn't have to be perfect. Of course, it is a zip top satchel. And I'm loving that because I've never, sorry, zip top tote. I said a satchel. With the braided pull tab. Her interior is red. Well, wait a minute now. Okay. Okay, zipper, giving me some action. She's red on the inside. Okay, I see what she means. So I have a tied, drift pin, tied to go pin, and I probably can get a little bit of this out, damping, and I have a shout remover and things like that, so that probably can get this bag clean. Oh, she put in cactus blossom antibacterial hand gel from Pocket Back for me. That is so cool. Oh my God, how sweet of her. Oh, it's gonna stay with this bag. And cheers to Miss Pettaway from Felicia. Rate me. And girl, I will. And excellent, 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 Felicia. Excellent. Thank you so much. Oh my God. So yeah, there's some pin marks in the bottom. It needs a little TLC. I'm gonna talk to my, there's the key keeper right there. And I'm just gonna try my best to get this cleaned out. And it has a pocket here, slip pocket here, and a cell phone pocket there. So there are two pockets in the inside of this bag. There is a zip pocket here, and the zipper is beautiful, which is gorgeous. And there is another slip pocket here, and it does have Dooney and Bourke since 1975 embossed on the patch in gold. There is a spot on the back here. I'm just gonna go ahead and just clean her up really, really good. If you are following me on Instagram, I'll put my Instagram name across the screen here so that you all can check out exactly how I'm faring. Thank y'all so much. It is August. It is my birthday month. My birthday is on the 9th. It is on Sunday or Monday, one of them. I'm so excited. I will be 43 years young. I never thought that I would even make it this far. I never saw myself past the age of 30. Not because someone told me that I would never be, but because of all of the challenges life has thrown me health-wise. And I am so excited to have to surpass, you know, my wildest dreams. Life has a funny way, and God has a way of making you laugh, and he has definitely done that with my life. I am blessed beyond measure. I am blessed beyond compare. He keeps being good to me over and over and over, and I don't know what I would do without him in my life. I wouldn't have the things that I have, and I don't mean the material stuff. I mean a husband that loves me. We've been together 25 years. August 23rd will be our 20-year wedding anniversary. We have 3 amazing young men. You know, they're gonna always be my boys in my eyes, but we have 3 amazing God-fearing young men. I have you guys that love me genuinely. You don't judge me. You don't push pretenses upon me, and I am so forever grateful for that. I'm forever grateful for my church family. I'm just thankful that God has saw fit to bless me over and over and over. You know? But I'm not gonna cry this video, because y'all know I will cry. So fix yourself up, lady. We ain't come over here to see you cry. We came over here to see the birthday bag. This is one of the birthday bags, because I definitely got a surprise coming up for y'all soon. But this is the Dooney and Bourke. I was about to say Coach. I always do that. Just shows my love for Coach, I think. The Dooney and Bourke tote. I'll put the name of this tote for sure. Oh, I didn't show you guys the bottom. It has feet. Feet. Like I said, she's been loved. So the bottom doesn't matter much to me, because you really don't see the bottom. But I'm definitely going to fix her up and add a charm to her and let her be great. Thank y'all for rocking with me. I appreciate you so much. If you made it this far, child, go ahead and hit the like button. Click it now. Right now. I'll wait. And go ahead and click the subscribe button. Turn your notifications on so that you are in the VIP for when these notifications drop. Honey, when these new videos drop, so that you don't miss a thing, child. Go ahead, fall down in the comments. Tell me what your favorite tote bag is. And it doesn't matter what the brand is. Let's talk about it, family. Let's talk about it in the comments. I will talk to y'all later. Happy August, everybody. It's Leo season. Bye.